Back joining you live from the Hall 15 with Negribossi. Now, Mr. Sonohara,
Yes.
most companies bring their most cutting-edge machinery. We're looking at some real dinosaurs in injection molding. What's the rationale behind that?
Okay, this is a very good opportunity to celebrate the both company of the Negribossi and the Nissay Plastic with the 75 years anniversary.
Okay, so it's a bit of a celebration back there.
Yeah.
And what are you here at the show demonstrating? What's your focus this year?
Okay, of course, Negribossi is exhibiting the most new, bigger range of the machine, and also Nissay Plastic is exhibiting to the how can I say, PLA material, 100% of the PLA material for the ecology problem, to solve the ecology problem. And also, as you see, this is the first time to participate the Negribossi and the Nissay Plastic together. So this is a very good opportunity for.
Can you explain that relationship?
Okay, Nissay Plastic is the parent company of the Negribossi right now.
And how have your impressions been so far at this year's K? It's the first time of an international trade fair in rubbers and plastics since we all went on lockdown, basically. Has it been successful for you so far?
I think so. Yeah, there is a lot of customer, and many customers surprising that the Nissay and Negribossi collaborate together at the K show. This is the first worldwide exhibition. The Nissay and the Negribossi collaborate together.
So really putting it in people's faces, saying, here we are, we're together. This is the way we're going forward together. Great. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have to be moving. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for coming.
Okay, and once again, we have quite a long path in a full hall. So as long as I don't try and kill our cameraman by moving backwards through a busy hall and we're boxing people out of the way, we are on our way to a very important company within injection molding in all aspects. High capacity machines, high pressures, efficiency. Sumitomo Damag. We do have a chance to speak to the CEO, Gerd Liebig. He promised, and he's already waving us in. That's great. I love to see it. Makes it easy for me. Gerd, thank you so much. There's so much going on to kind of wave us in like an airplane. Gerd, what are you presenting here at the K 2022? What's your focus?
Yeah, let me introduce our main exhibit. So we introduce now our new PACE line. Our new PACE line is focusing packaging application with very fast cycle time and extremely low energy consumption. I would like to say this is really the benchmark in the industry. You can see here on the right side, it is developed by our Japanese and German engineers, and we are starting to sell the machine here at the K Show.
I walked past it on the first day. It was one of the first stands I stopped at.
Yeah.
The level, I mean, just the absolute frequency of production, the output is fantastic. It may be per item, it might be the fastest output I've seen on the stand. Is that kind of the focus of it?
Yes. The focus is productivity. So we realize here a cycle time of 1.98 seconds here for this product. It is 72 cavity cup. This is the first focus, and the second focus, and referring to our activities. And you see here our slogan, Act Sustainably. We are focusing energy consumption. We were the first.
We have good microphones,
Okay.
but I wanted to get away from this machine.
Okay.
It might be efficient, but it is loud.
No problem.
And then we can just stand right over here. Speaking about efficiency, it's a main theme of the show this year.
Yes.
What is your company focusing on? What are you bringing to the table for your customers in that respect?
Let me say we focus two topics. The first topic was we decided 6 years ago to focus purely in our production side in VIA all-electric machines. Currently, we sell, I would say, 92% of our machines all-electric. This means reduced energy consumption. On the other hand, we have circular economy, and here in our circular economy concept, we focus foaming to reduce the material and recycled PET.
Mr. Liebig, CEO of the company, you're very busy here. Thank you for finding the time to speak with us, and I wish you much success at this year's K.
Thank you very much. All the best for you.
So the heavy hitters are pulling out all the stops here at this year's K. There's a lot to show, a lot to see as well as a visitor. Come on down to Dusseldorf, a lot going on, a lot to see. We hope to see you here. Thanks for joining us.